Pinag-uusapan ngayon sa Philippine boxing ang pagbabalik aksyon ng tinaguriang halimaw mula sa Zamboanga. Pinulabog niya ang super middleweight division gamit ang kamaong parang pinagsamang kanan at kaliwa ni Pacquiao dahil bawat suntok may kasamang tulog. Walang iba kundi ang undefeated hard puncher na si Yumir Marshall. Isang southpaw, may 5 malinis na kartadang panalo, 3 knockouts, isang Olympic bronze medalist at gold medalist sa Southeast Asian Games. Ngayon, nakabase na sa Amerika at puspusan ang ensayo para sa kanyang professional career. Ngunit patuloy pa rin ito lumalaban sa amateur para sa ating bansa. Sa bawat laban, unti-unti niyang pinapatunayan na siya nga ang tinaguriang Canelo Alvarez ng Pilipinas. Dahil pag tinamaan ka, good night. Ayon sa mga insiders, kapag tuluyan na siyang nag-focus sa pro boxing, kayang-kaya raw ni Marshall na magtala ng 20 wins o 20 knockouts. At undefeated pa rin, ngayong Hulyo 19, 2025, kasama si Marshall sa undercard ng pagbabalik ng ating pambansang kamao, Manny Pacquiao versus Mario Barrios, sa mismong MGM Grand Garden Arena, Las Vegas. Ang makakaharap ni Marshall, ang matapang at palaban na Mexicano, nakabase din sa Amerika, ito ay si Alexis Gaitan. May 17 ang panalo, 6 na knockouts at galing sa 2 sunod na panalo. Pero bago ang bakbakang yan, balikan muna natin ang laban na nagpatingkad sa bangis ni Marshall kontra sa knockout artist ng Thailand. Thordsak Sinam, 24 na panalo, 20 knockout at galing sa 5 sunod na KO wins. Round 1 pa lang, mabagal ang panimula ng 2 boxers na parehong may respeto sa kanilang knockout power.
Size of Marshall, of course, and that right jab, the punches very early in this fight to keep his opponent guessing. But yung amateur record when he was 12 years old, he has compiled 74 wins and 21 losses as an amateur.
Alam mo, nung Tokyo Olympics ganito,
you know, we were talking about how Sinam looks like he's 175 pounds, but you take a look at the
Pagsapit ng round 2, unti-unti nang bumaon ang mga body shots ni Marshall. Nagsilbi itong Babala Thai champion na pwede siyang bumagsak dito sa maagang round.
mas madiin ngayon.
alam mo, I'm sure naman the Thai knows the credentials nitong si...
And now he's up against probably, arguably, the most hardy opponent he's ever faced. The toughest opponent ever.
Marshall began to unschool some of his repertoire. He's picking his location out of left hand. By the Thai, however, raising the chin.
Hindi malaman ni Sinam kung saan gagaling ang sa ito. Nice shot.
By the two fighters there. Sinam now felt that power. And now medyo humiwa ng konti yung defense ni Sinam.
But Yumir Marshall is taking his time. He's not rushing things.
Discerning.
Oh, in that situation, ordinarily you would attack your opponent and try to finish.
Tuloy ang aksyon dito sa round. Gusto na ng 2 boxers na tapusin ng maaga ang laban.
Jab ni Yumir Marshall, the right hand is actually through that defense ni Sinam. Dapat kumatakas si Yumir sa katawan. I think that's going to be a very vulnerable spot for Sinam.
There's a kidney area. 1-2 on target. 1-2 again on target. Sinam backpedaling there. less than a minute ago.
That was a shot to the side of the body na hihintay natin. And another one.
And the left hand on the chin of Sinam.
Did you notice? That left hand, that left hook is going through the defense ni Sinam. After Ymir hits him with a right to the side of the body.
So, bumababa yung kamay.
Exactly. To defend the side of the body, bumubuka yung kanyang detensa and that exposes his face for a left hook ni Ymir Marshall.
Half a minute remaining here in the third. We're scheduled for 8. No championship in there.
Round 4, dito na natikman ni Sinam ang bagsik ni Marshall.
Chiseled. Very much chiseled. Yeah, you can see his But, the big challenge for Ymir is how to bring up his power and speed to a much higher weight category.
Hindi na malayo yung Olympics na July na ho, di ba?
He weighed 100.
4 months ago.
Yes.
4 months away na yan.
He weighed 165 pounds for this. And in the Olympics, the weight limit is 176.4. That's a lot of weight that he needs to put on. You cannot put on body fat. You can only put on muscle for you to be able to keep.
Mula sa kaliwat ka ng kombinasyon ni Marshall, bagsak si Sinam dahil sa lakas para itong tinumbang poste. Diretso tulog kung saan kailangan pang alalayan para makahinga.
He doesn't know where he is. Just one uppercut. One uppercut. It's over.
Sa inyo namang palagay, sapat na ba itong pinakita ni Marcia upang maging world champion? Pag-usapan natin yan sa baba at banggitin nyo na rin ang inyong lugar para makita natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta ng mga Pinoy kay Marshall sa laban kontra Gaetan ngayong Hulyo 19 sa Las Vegas.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.